Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need any help regarding blog post formatting and uploading, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can add a contact form in your WordPress blog. Firstly, I will show for the Gutenberg Block Editor, and after that I will show for the classic editor. Right now I am on my website dashboard. To add contact form, firstly I need to install a plugin that name is contact form 7. So I am going to my plugin section and clicking on add new plugin. After that I have to search here with contact from 7. This is the plugin, so install now. After that click on activate. So this plugin already installed and activated. I want to open this post in Gutenberg Block Editor first, and let preview the post. You see there has no contact from in this post, so it's just comment box, and I want to add a contact from after conclusion. Here I want to add a contact from. So let's see how I can do this. Again I have to go the plugin section, and after that below contact from 7 plugin I have to click on settings icon, and there has a default contact from box. So I want to use this box firstly, and after that I will customize this box. So I am going to copy this shortcode, and I am going to add this contact from after conclusion. So as already I copied the shortcode, so here I have to add a block name is shortcode. Search here with shortcode and select shortcode block. Inside that block paste your that shortcode which you already copied from the contact from 7. So I pasted it and save. Let's view the post. You see after conclusion there is a contact from box. There is a box for name, email, subject, but if I want to include a telephone number box, how I can do this? I am going to edit this contact from, or even if you wish you can create new contact from, but I am going to customize the exist contact from. Then easily you can understand. After that if you wish you can create new contact from, that's not a big deal. So click on edit. Perfect. So as I want to include a phone number box after email, so what I can do, just follow my steps. I am going to make it zoom, then you can see clearly. This is the email label. So I am going to copy that label first, and I am going to paste it and give a save and refresh here. So that means I created another box for email, but I don't want to make it email, I want to make it phone number. I made that duplicate. That will help to work me easily, and it will help for you also. So second email we will rename. So I am writing here your phone. Okay, and here has a like label. I don't want to use this label, this shortcode, so I am going to remove it. And above you see there is an option for telephone, so I am clicking there, and telephone number field, so it will be telephone number field. If you want to make this field required, that means user must need to fill this field to contact with you, just give a tick here. And field name, this field expects the submitter telephone number, so you can give the tick. And length, minimum and maximum, you can identify it, but I think it's not necessary. Okay, I have completed all of the field. Let click on insert tag. Perfect. Then save. And right now, if I give a refresh on my post, you see. So after the email box, there is a telephone number box. By this way, you can add more other box also. For example, you want to make drop down menu or check box. So I want to show you how you can create a checkbox like are you male or female. So I want to make this box here after the phone number. So I am going to copy this phone number and paste it, so it will be duplicate. As it will not be the phone number, I am going to add the gender. Now I will change this code, short code, and I am going to click on checkbox and making checkbox. This is required field and field name is checkbox, that fine, no problem. And select the value like option 1, option 2, option 3. So I want to make it 2 option, male, female, and insert tag. After that, save. After saving, I am going to give a refresh. You see there has another option like gender, male, female. So by this way you can use rest of the option also. You may think, if user submit this contact form, then which email you will receive these things? The answer is this mail will go to your website admin mail. I mean, which email you used for this website admin, that admin mail will receive this contact query. Now I am going to show you for same things for the classic editor. Is it working or not? Now I am going to open this same post in classic editor. After that, previously I displayed the contract from end of the conclusion, but in classic editor I want to display this contract from table in another place. Like after the introduction, I want to display the contract from table. Though it's very unusual, just I am showing it for the cross check. I will copy that contract from short code and I will paste it here. It's a visual section. So you can copy it in visual section. Even if you wish, you can copy and paste it under text section. That's not a problem. It will work for both end, no problem. So pasting it on visual section, it will be easy for you. But if you go the text section, you can paste it there too. That's not a problem. Okay, update this post and view the post. You see that table is displaying here also. So this contract from table shortcode system is working for Gutenberg Block Editor or Classic Editor. Both editor you can work very smoothly. Here it's showing a error, something like they are saying I am using lots of things in a single table. So it's not a big deal. You can ignore these things. That's not a problem. If you wish, you can reduce few items from the table. Okay, today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.